Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Madera local and long-distance movers near me. Our movers know how to handle a long-distance move. Whether it's a move that will take you 100 miles to the next state over, or one that will take you 2,000 miles across the country, we can help you. With our moving services, you get the peace of mind and convenience you desire. While we can certainly provide the basics of loading, transportation, and unloading, we also offer the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. When you plan to hire a California moving company, you might struggle to rationalize the cost. However, when you realize the time you will save, it can become easier to see why it's worth hiring a local moving company. There are plenty of good reasons to hire a moving company, even if you're just going down the road. With 3 movers helping you, it's easy to save time and energy. We streamline your moving and keep you from having to do any heavy lifting. Our team will make a move that might have you working all weekend and get it done in just a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Madera moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.